Okay. So here we have 35 plus 5. So now, what do you notice in the ones column? Damien, what do you notice?
One's on top and one's at the bottom.
How many?
10.
Yeah, there are 10 ones. So what could we do with those two groups of 5?
Make another 10.
Yeah. So I could really cross out these guys and move it over here and make another 10.
So that's 40.
And that's 40. Absolutely right.
40.
And oh, I see my friend Cole over here. He did a number bond. Bailey, can you mute yourself, please? So I've got 35 and 5 makes 40. That's how Cole chose to do it, right? In your number bond. Okay. So let's do another one.
Do I have to erase this?
I want you now to draw your own place value chart, okay? So on your whiteboard, draw your own place value chart. If you don't have your board, get a piece of paper.
I need an eraser. I want to
Get a tissue.
You can get tissue.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? All right. Draw your place value chart. On your board. Can you draw it on your paper, please?
What paper?
Well, Bailey, you don't have paper. You have your whiteboard, so you're good. You're drawing it on your whiteboard. If you don't have a whiteboard, then you're going to draw it on paper.
That is what it looks like.
Mm-hmm. I don't think that people realize that
What are the paper?
they're unmuted.
Where is the paper?
In your notebook.
I can do that. Can you do this?
You shouldn't be talking about can you do this. Your whiteboard's right there.
Get on your nails on me!
Well, when I find these, we will have our own place value discs, but I only have 10,000 and 100,000. But I just realized that we have some. All right. I want you to use your place value chart to solve 35 plus 6. Okay? So make 35 at the top and then 6 at the bottom. So you're going to do, so just pretend that it's that part, okay? And then you should be able to draw on this with a dry erase marker. You have one?
I already know what the answer is. Not even draw anything.
All right, we'll draw it anyway, okay? Bailey, please mute yourself.
Mute yourself.
Okay. So on the tens part, you should have put 35. Remember, we're practicing using place value discs. So 10, 20, 30, and we're putting tens in those. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay? And then we need 6 on the bottom. 1. So I'm making 6 red. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, remember, can you try and make place value just for the purpose of this? Okay? So now, if I look at the ones, how many do I have in the ones column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I drew too many at the top. Mrs. Zearn. See? We always make mistakes, but it's okay as long as we learn from them. So let's try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What can I do with 10 of those ones?
That would equal. That would. Wait, what?
What could I do with 10 of those ones?
Make another 10.
Yeah. So I'm going to kind of go like this and circle those and bring it over here. And that's going to be another 10.
Yeah,
so
and
now,
then there's one more which equals 46.
Oh, hold on, not 46. We've got 4
41.
10s and 1 1, right?
I mean 41 because I don't know why I said that.
Well, I knew you knew it because I saw your board already. 35 plus 6 equals 41. So if you've got too many 10s, too many 1s rather, you would just bring it over here, right? Okay, let's do a harder one. So try and keep your place value board, but if you erase it, it's okay. You can just redraw it. I will get you some that you can write on that are dry erase. Okay? All right, what if we did 35 plus 26? What would that look like? Does it erase okay? Yeah, awesome. Okay, so 35. So draw 35 with place value discs on there first and hold it up. You can even just, Brooklyn, just use your whole whiteboard as the outside and just cut it in half and make one side 10s and one side 1s. There you go. All right, so how many 10s do I need for 35? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay? I'm switching colors just so that you can see the difference. Okay? Plus 26. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, so let's look at the ones. How many do I have? Somebody at home, Mason, how many ones do I have?
11?
Yeah, I have 11 ones. So what should I do with that 11 ones?
What time is it? I don't know. 12.
Brooklyn wants to help you.
12 till 3. Huh? You do like 10.
Yeah.
But you need to put one in the 10th place.
Yeah. So we
in the 10th place.
we circled 10 of them and move them into the tens place, and we still have one left over.
81.
And now how many tens do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 6 tens. So we know that our total is 61. Remember, don't forget to make this a 10, not a 1. Good job.
So that's the 10 side.
Right. Okay. Should we do one more? Okay, one more. Erase your boards, and then I'll let you go do Zearn.
How much more time until lunch? How much more minutes until lunch?
Okay, go ahead and draw this on your own.
Okay. How many minutes?
You're doing this now? With your, do you have your marker though? Whiteboard marker? Is that helpful? You can draw it with that. You don't have to do it right now. But for the next one. All right, let's check out and see what we did. So you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, I'm doing 37 in red. 10,
Well, when you
20, 30, 31, 32,
whoa.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37. You could, Mason, but I have to run back over there for a second. So, Mason, can you tell me how many ones you ended up with over here?
5.
Oh, you had 5 left over? Okay, so you circled 10 and made a 10? Is that right? And you had 5 left over?
Yes.
Awesome. And Kevin, how many 10s did you have then?
I got 7 left over. I mean 8.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's right. 85.
I knew it. Me too.
So kiss your brain if you got it right. If you didn't finish yet, it's okay.
This is
Go ahead on Zearn until 12:40. Go.
Well,
My friends at home,
the Jordan.
let me just log them off, okay?
Or do we need to keep this, or do we need to?
I'm coming back. Stop sharing.